Every warehouse has a problem. Dust, debris, grit grinding into the floor with every pallet, every shift, every truck that rolls in. Meet the SellEton SL-WS2300, the sweeper that doesn't just clean, it transforms your floor. 3,000 watts of drive power, dual side brushes, a 32-inch main brush. One pass, one machine, done. Cruising up to 10 miles per hour with an 86-inch sweep width, over 236,000 square feet every single hour. 70 gallons of debris capacity, 80 gallons of water, a 48-volt battery powering 8 hours of non-stop work. Charge once, clean an entire shift. HD reversing camera, heavy-duty filtration, built for the floors that other machines run from. The SellEton SL-WS2300, industrial strength, warehouse ready, made for the people who keep America moving. Head to SellEtonScales.com today. Free shipping on every order, backed by our 5-year warranty.